Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a red cozy coupe that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with a 4x7 by 2/3 vehicle chassis with 4 bearings. Right here I'm going to place a 1x2 plate followed by a set of 1x3 plates. This area right here is where the minifigure is going to sit. Place these right here, and then right above our bearings a set of 2x2 plates. Then a set of 2x4 by 2/3 mud guards. Place these right here. Right on top of this 1x2 plate, a 1x2 steering wheel console. Set that right down in there, followed by a set of 1x3 left and right hand doors. For the rear bumper, we're going to take a 1x2 by 2x4 downwards angular plate. Right in the middle, I'm going to place a 2x2 round flat tile. In the upper corners, a set of round 1x1 transparent orange flat tiles. And on the bottom, a 1x4 by 2/3 plate with bow. Set this right here to complete the rear bumper assembly. I'm going to set this right in this area. Followed by a 1x2 brick and a set of 1x2 modified plates with top holder. Make sure the top holder is closest to the bumper. We're going to set this right here. And in this area, 1x2 by 2/3 slope and a 1x4 by 2/3 plate with bow right here to complete the rear. Now let's focus our attention to the front of the vehicle. I'm going to take a set of 1x2 plates, stack these on top of one another, and I'm going to place this assembly right here, right next to the steering wheel. Could be a bit of a challenge to get in there. Set that right there. Now for the front bumper, I'm going to take a 1x2 by 2x4 downwards angular plate right on the bottom studs, a 1x2 plate, and on the top studs, a 1x2 rounded flat tile. And for headlights, you can probably guess it, we're going to take some 1x1 round flat tiles with some eyeballs printed on them. Now the trick is just to barely tack these in here and rotate them into position. Just press them down. And for the front bumper, a 1x4 by 2/3 plate with bow. And I'm going to put this assembly right in this 1x2 opening. Let's lock our car doors in with a set of 1x2 rounded plates right here. And to finish up the front portion, a 2x2 by 2/3 plate with bow and a set of 1x2 by 2/3 slopes right by the headlights to complete the body of the Cozy Coupe. For the roof, start with a 2x4 plate. I'm going to place 4 2x2 by 2/3 plate with bow right on the top. Right here. Now I want to flip this over. For the rear pillar supports, I'm going to take a 1x1 by 1x2 downwards angular plate. I'm going to take an inverted 1x2 plate with bow. Place this right here. I'm going to set this off to the side. Then I'm going to take a regular 1x2 by 2/3 plate with bow and a 1x1 round plate with holder. I'm going to place this right in this reveal as shown. Then I'm going to take these two halves, let these two get acquainted with each other. Now I want to make 2 of these. I want to place these along one side of our cab. Now for the front pillar supports, we're going to take another 1x1 by 1x2 downwards angular plate. Going to take an inverted 1x2 by 2/3 plate with bow. Place this right inside the reveal. I'm going to set that off to the side. Take a regular 1x2 by 2/3 plate with bow and an upwards 1x1 by 1x1 angular plate. Place this right here. And I want to crown this stud off with a 1x1 flat tile. And I'm going to put these two together right here as shown. I want to make 2 of these. And I'm going to place these on the other side of our roof. To complete the top portion of the coupe. Now let's place the top of the coupe onto the body. Now this could be a little bit tricky, so I'm going to line this together, and I'm just going to press both of these down here. As shown, it should snap in place. Now we've got a hinged top. Well, now we got to put some tires on the Cozy Coupe. So I'm going to take a small rim and one of these narrow tires. I'm going to place the rim inside the tire, kind of get that in there lined up. So it's these thin tires. I'm going to make 4 of these. We got to place these on here. Even though this is a Cozy Coupe, we're going to need tires on this to drive it around and make it roadworthy. Place these right here to finish up the Cozy Coupe.